All right, for 20 little letter A, I've got HCN. So I'll draw out the dot structure for each of those atoms. H would have 1 dot. Carbon is in group 14, so it has 4 dots. Nitrogen's in group 15, so it has 5 dots. Then I choose one of them to go in the middle. I'll choose carbon because it has the most unpaired dots. And then I'll put the other elements on the sides of carbon, lining up single dots to make a dash or a shared pair of electrons. I'll line up one of nitrogen's single dot with a carbon single dot to make one pair, but remember our answer needs to not have any single dots in it. And also carbon and nitrogen each need some more valence electrons. So I'm going to take each of these unpaired electrons and move them to make 2 more dashes. Each of those electrons can pair up with another electron to make a dash, so I'd have 3 total. So the cleaned up version of that answer is this. On little letter B, ammonia, nitrogen has 5 dots, and I've got 3 hydrogens that each bring a single dot. So the nitrogen is going to be the center atom because it has the most unpaired electrons, and I can line up a hydrogen bringing its unpaired electron with each of those to make 3 bonds. This is the same as the choice that you had that looked like this. It's important that nitrogen has that unshared pair on it as well. All right, little letter C, H2S. I've got 2 H's that each have a single dot. S I see is in group 16, so it has 6 dots. So I'll choose sulfur as my center atom because it has the most unpaired electrons, the most single dots, and line up a hydrogen with each of those single dots to form a bond.